Hey, welcome back guys to another tutorial of HTML and CSS weekend project series. In this tutorial, I will be creating this game website UI using HTML and CSS only. We are not going to use the JavaScript. So I'll show you how this UI looks, then we will start with the HTML and CSS. So here I have the header where Epic Games is written in the header, and we have the navigation bar. When I hover on any of this, I'll be able to see the gunshot kind of effect here. We have used image for this. Then we have the landing page where the next level gaming experience and the button is there. When I hover on it, the button will maximize the effect like that. And when I hover on it, we have the about our platform. When I click on it, if you'll see, it will directly go to that particular container. When I click on games, it will show the top games. When I hover on this games, that particular game will get maximized. When I hover on contact, there's nothing, I guess. Then we have this three cards where high resolution graphics, multiplayer mode, virtual reality, stuff like that is written, and then we have the footer. So that is what we are going to create in this tutorial. It is not much code and all. We have used keyframes. When we refresh the page, you'll see the image coming from the top and sliding little bit, the effect like that. So that is what we are going to do in this tutorial. So I'll close this and we will start with HTML first. So I'll close this. We'll go here I have the folder YouTube, and YouTube I have the HTML and CSS. HTML CSS weekend project. This will be our fourth tutorial. I have already created some tutorial. You can watch that. Game UI, and set. I will open with code. Create the index.html, exclamation mark for boilerplate, enter. In body, we will have the nav with the class of navbar. Inside this, we will have the h2 tag, epic game. ul. Inside this, we will have the li, ahref. Inside double quotes, hash about. This will be about. I will copy it and I will paste it for 2 times, and this will be the gallery, and add this as a game. We contact, which we don't have. This will be hash because we don't have the contact, right? So contact. Now come outside this nav, and here we will have the header with the class of hero. So header, the class of hero. Inside this, we will have the h1, and another we will have the p tag. What I'll do, I have the description and title written, so I'll just copy it. I don't have to write it and make the video long, and just copy it. You can paste it here. If you want, I can add the link in a description of this as well as all the previous part. You can watch that also. After this, we will be having the button. So button will have the class of CTA button. So button dot CTA hyphen button. This will be explore games. Done. Come outside this header. Section will have the class section hyphen large, and the ID will be about. Inside this section we will have the h2 about our platform, and h2 we will have the p. Can get the p tag from here and you can add it here. Come outside this section, scroll it down, we will have the section class section, ID will be gallery, h2 top games. We will have div with the class of game hyphen gallery, game hyphen card, and we will have the image src. We can remove this and we have to add the image here. So I will add the folder images and I will add the link of all the images in the description. You can get it from there. Get the images and I will reveal in File Explorer, and here I will paste it. We'll have the images here. Now we have the image src images. This will be game 2. The div with the class of game hyphen info h3. We'll get it from here, cyber battle, and another is the p tag, and add it here. We have the game card already available, so you can copy it and you can paste it here. The game card is there. This will be game 3. Game info is there. We will add the zombie survival here and survive the apocalypse. Maybe we will add it here. We're done with this. Now what we have to do, we have to come outside this section and we have to add the another section which will be features. So section features, features h3 and p. This will be here. Copy it and paste it here. Copy this features and paste it. This was features, right? So this will be feature only, and same way you have to copy it and paste it. We have to copy multiplayer mode and we will be pasting that here, and this will be here. come outside this section and we have the footer, right? So footer, this will have the class footer. This will be copyright sign. So and copy, we have 2025 Epic Games designed by Fun and Learn. We have the header and everything available. Let's save it and let's run it and let's see how it looks. Open with live server. Okay, so this is how it looks. We have all the things available, but it is not designed yet. So we have to work on that now. What I will do, I will go here and I will create one file called style.css and I will add the link here and we will check each style one by one. If I do style for one class, we'll see that if it is working. So we'll start with the body first, body, comma, HTML, margin will be 0, padding will be 0, font family Poppins, sans serif, box sizzling, border box, background color 0A 0A 0A, color will be white. Here we will be having the nav bar, so better will be if we copy it and if we paste it here. Background will be linear gradient 135 degree RGBA 30 comma 30 comma 47 comma 0.85 comma RGBA 52 comma 52 comma 74 comma 0.85. Display flex, justify content, space between, align items center, padding 20 pixels, 50 pixels, position fixed, width hyphen web kit hyphen fill hyphen available and top will be 0, z index will be 1000. If I'll save it and if we see, so we have the navigation bar and it is transparent, so you can see the image behind as well. This is done. So this WebKit fill available works for whole size of width. So if I remove it, if I remove this, you can add the 100% as well, but Now I've added this here, and if I do it, it is available. If I remove it, if I remove that, if I remove that, you can see it is available till here. So this is how it works. We are done with this. What we have to do now is we have to work on navbar h2. So navbar h2 margin will be 0, font size to rem, navbar ul list style none, display flex, margin will be 0, padding will be 0. Scroll it down, navbar ul li margin 0, 20 pixels, position relative. Then we have the navbar ul li a tag. The color will be white, text decoration will be none, font size will be 1.2 rem, color 0.3 seconds. Save it. Let's see how it looks now. We have to work on after as well, so let's work on that first. Nav bar ul li a after content single quotes, position absolute, width will be 100%, height will be 3 pixels, background linear gradient 90°, transparent, comma red, comma transparent, bottom will be -6 pixel, left will be 0, transform scale x 0. After this it will be transform origin left, transition transform 0.3 seconds, ease. Save it. Then we have the navbar ul li a hover after transform scale x 1, navbar ul li hover before content single quotes, position will be absolute, background URL will have the images, bullet, no repeat, center, and background size will be cover. Width will be 150 pixels, height will be 40 pixels, top will be 50%, left will be 50%, transform, translate minus 50%, comma, minus 50%. We will have the opacity of 1 and pointer event will be none. Let's go, let's see. Till now whatever we have done, it is working. So this is working. We can see the hover, and there is a red line as well which we have added now here. So it is working, right? When we hover on it, the red line is coming from middle, and like that the H1 is working. Now we have to work on the landing page, which is the hero class heroes, right? So hero height will be 100 VH, background will be images, game 1, no repeat, center, center, cover, right? Now I'll scroll it down. We'll have display, flex, align items, center, justify content, center, text align, center, flex direction, column, animation, fade in 2 seconds, is in out, we have keyframes now, keyframe, fade in, we have 0%, opacity 0, transform, translate Y minus 20 pixels. Now this is done. Just same way we have to copy, we have to paste it here. 100, opacity will be 1, transform, translate, this will be 0, save it. Hero H1, font size 5 rem, margin 0, text shadow 3 pixels, 3 pixels, 12 pixels. RGBA, where it is RGBA 0.7. We have hero p tag, so hero p, font size 1.7 rem, margin top 20 pixels, animation slide up 1.5 second, ease in out. Right now we have to write the keyframes again, so keyframes, the identifier will be slide up 0%, transform, translate y 50 pixels, comma, opacity 0. Okay, just add the space in between and copy. You have the 100, translate y, pixels will be 0, opacity will be 1, and we are done with the hero. Let's see how it looks. You can see it is coming from the top and this is coming from the bottom, like this header and p is coming from the bottom and it is coming from the top. If you'll see it is coming from bottom and it is coming from top, which is looking good, right? So yeah, now we have another thing. Also, one more thing that I think we can add here is we can add the shadow, right? Because it doesn't look good. Now it is looking good. If I remove it, right? If I don't add it, no, can't able to read anything here. No, you can't read here anything. But when I add this, no, you can read it now. Immerse yourself in the ultimate gaming adventure. This looks good. Now we have the button. So we'll get the button from here. So copy it and paste it here. Margin top 40 pixels. Padding will be 20 pixels and 40 pixels. Font size 1.5 rem. Color will be white, and we have the background, which will be ff7 e5f. Save it. We can add the border also, like border we will do none because this is black and not looking good. Now this looks good. Another thing will be cursor pointer, and for this also we will add the transition background 0.3 seconds. If you see, we have added 0.3 or 0.2 seconds, not more than that, so that will be, good. Transform 0.3 seconds. Maybe we can do add 0.8, and now if we see now it is looking good. This is done. We have the hover, right? So CTA button will work on hover. When we hover on it, the background will be E06656 and transform scale 1.1. Right, I'll scroll it down again. We have the class section, which we will get it from here. So we'll add the section here. Padding will be 10 pixels, 70 pixels. Text align center, animation, fade in 2 seconds, ease in, out. We will have the section H2, font size 0.5 rem, margin bottom 60 pixels. Let's see how it looks. There are many things which is not done yet. When I hover on it, it will, it will expand, and this is how it will look. Then we have the about platform. This is what I'm working right now, so we have to work on that, right? So we have to add the game gallery now. Game gallery, display grid, grid template column, repeat, auto, fit, min, max 350 pixels, comma 1 f. Now gap of 40 pixels. Save it. Let's see how it looks. So this is how it looks when I remove this. Okay, if I'll remove it, you'll see it's not coming in each line, like it's going in another line, right? So this is how it will be. So now we have to work on game card. You can get it from here, copy it, paste it here, and background hash 1e1e2f, border radius 20 pixels, overflow will be hidden, box shadow 0, 6 pixels, 20 pixels, RGBA 0.3, right? Transform scale 0.95, transition transform 0.3 seconds, game card hover, transform scale 1.05, game card width 100%, height 300 pixels, object fit cover game card game info padding will be 30 pixels, section large. We have all this game info and everything available. You can just copy it. I'm just typing it because I didn't copy paste it. You can just copy and paste it to avoid the issue afterwards. So padding 180 pixels, 90 pixels. Background will be hash 181824. Text align center, section large h2, font size 4 rem, section large p, font size 1.5 rem, line height 2.2, margin 30 pixels, auto, width will be 75%. Now we have the features, but let's see how the top game section looks. This looks good. We have the cyber battle, we have zombie survival, and it is looking good. When I click on about, it is coming on about. When I click on game, it is coming on the top game. So now we have to work on features. So come here, scroll it down, get this, copy it, and just paste it here. We have features, display, flex, justify content, space around, margin will be 30 pixels, auto, padding will be 0, top bottom, 80 pixels left and right. We have feature, can get it from here, paste it. Width will be 30%. Background will be 1E, 1E, 2F. Padding will be 80 pixels. Margin will be 20 pixels. Border radius will be 20 pixels. Box shadow we have like added earlier, can get it from there only, so you can get it and here you can paste it. So here we will have the transition transform 0.3 seconds, ease we have feature, over, transform, translate y, -10 pixels, footer, text align, center, padding 40 pixels, background 1E 2F, color will be white, and yes, we are done now. Let's see how our project looks, overall page looks. We have the header, we can hover on it, we can see the shot, and then we have the banner. When I refresh this, have nice effect. It is coming from the top, this is coming from the bottom, this p tag. We have the button. When I click on it, the color changes and it expands, which looks good. We have the about, which is very simple but good looking because of the background which we have added. And we have the top game. When I hover on the cyber battle, it expands. When I click on this expands, which is also looking good. And now we have the features which have the high quality resolution graphics, experience 4K visual and all, multiplayer mode, virtual reality. We have the header and everything looks good. So this is how it was. So guys, that is it with the game UI website tutorial or web form tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you really did, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another video like this. Thank you and bye.